Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin now. Pick a setting where people share interests, like a class or meetup, and commit to one small goal per visit. Once ready, approach someone with a relaxed smile and your short intro. This lowers social friction. Use your prepared open questions to move past small talk and listen actively. Nod, mirror words, ask follow-ups. Make sure to exchange a simple contact method before you leave. This converts a moment into a potential connection. Once you've made initial contact, follow up within 48 hours to show interest and reliability. A short message referencing something you discussed is ideal. Then propose a low-pressure one-on-one activity that aligns with both your schedules and interests, because shared experiences build rapport faster. During the meet, balance talking and listening. Ask curious, specific questions about routines and favorites, and share a little about yourself so the exchange feels reciprocal. Make sure to suggest a next step before you now move to solidify the friendship. Schedule a third meeting so it becomes routine instead of an occasional event. Consistency signals commitment. Once done, maintain small gestures, check-ins, event invites, or shared playlists, about 1 to 2 times weekly to keep momentum without pressure. If things go quiet, troubleshoot. Ask a clear, kind question about how they feel, and make sure to give space if needed. Sometimes stepping back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.